Hey, Father Family Fun coming to you today. Today we got something pretty cool. We're going to drag race this Traxxas XL-5 two-wheel drive with a Mavic Mini. See who wins. This ought to be fun. I don't know who's going to win, but I guess we'll find out in a minute. Let's go. The Challenger, the Traxxas Slash two-wheel drive XL-5. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, I'm gonna put this thing in sport mode this time. He got me. Yeah, the takeoff on that's just way faster than on the Mavic Mini. I think once it took off, it held its own with it, but the get up and go just wasn't there. So we're gonna try it in sport mode, see if that helps. Okay, here we go in sport mode. Drag race, 3, 2, 1, go. Man, that was a lot of fun, and you know, I believe the Mavic Mini may have beat it
one time,
at least once on that deal in sport mode if I would have been a better drone pilot. But the takeoff on the Traxxas Slash is so good, and it takes the Mavic Mini a minute to get it. If it had a longer drag race, it'd probably win. But man, this was a really fun video to make, and we got some good footage. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a good day.